There was a time, before Ola and Uber, when driving skills was something young men like I took great pride in. Even though I was a relatively new driver, I was hugely confident, and we took a family holiday to Nainital. I'd driven all the way from Delhi to Bareilly, where we visited friends, had lunch with them, and then again I drove from Bareilly to Haldwani. But when the road started climbing into the hills, my father asked me to stop the car and take over the wheel. Why, I said. Because the mist is descending and the roads can get treacherous. I was disappointed, but I didn't want to argue, so I stopped the car. And then, surprisingly, my mother spoke from the back seat. "I think you should let him drive," she said. "He's a really good driver." "It's true," my father agreed, "but he doesn't have any experience of driving in the mountains." "But there'll always be a first time," my mother said. And I thought, now why didn't I come up with that? And what better first time than with his father guiding him? My mother persisted. My father was forced to yield a bit, but the fog? "The next time he drives into fog, he may not have you by his side," Ma said. Game, set, and match. I drove the family ambassador into the mists of the Nainital hills. Thing is, you cannot protest against a well-crafted, pertinent argument.